30 Types of Popular Rhipsalis Pictorial Guide. Rhipsalis is a genus of cacti that has actually been gaining popularity over the last few years. Rhipsalis are epiphytic. They grow on other plants or objects, such as trees or rocks. Rhipsalis plants are reasonably simple to care for, making them a popular option for beginners and knowledgeable plant lovers alike. Rhipsalis spicifera, Rhipsalis campos portoana, Rhipsalis casatha, Rhipsalis serioscula, Rhipsalis clavata, Rhipsalis crispata, Rhipsalis dissimilis, Rhipsalis elliptica, Rhipsalis ewaldiana, Rhipsalis floccosa. Rhipsalis plants are an interesting addition to any plant collection. Their distinct growth practices, low maintenance care, and cultural significance make them an excellent option for plant enthusiasts of all levels. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.